day, every journey that brought us to this place. We're filled with wonder that words couldn't ever contain. This is what we've been waiting for, at the dawn of forevermore. We can stand on this ground so sure. This is what we've been waiting for.
Katie, I can't believe it's finally here. I feel like it was just yesterday that we were sitting next to each other at City Light on our first date. Now here we are, about to say I do and become one. You're the woman of my dreams, the one I prayed God would bring into my life.
When the morning light brings us to our feet, we'll keep chasing what we were meant to be. We can feel it, we're ready for anything. This is what we've been waiting for, at the dawn of forevermore. We can stand on this ground so sure. This is what we knew we would find, leaving all of our doubts behind. We can stand on this ground so sure. This is what we've been waiting.
Jacob Michael, where do I even begin? From the time I've met you, you've changed my life. You took a lost girl and gave her everything she could ever ask for. You are strong, loving, heartfelt, and a little bit crazy, but you complete my crazy. Our home, our dogs, our cats. I wouldn't change it for the world. I wake up next to you and I smile. You calm my fears. You make sure I always get food so I don't get too hangry. Jacob, you truly complete me, and I don't know what my life would be without you. I hope to never know. Now I really suck at writing, and I'm beginning to ramble. So let's go do this thing. Today I get to leave Mrs. Jacob Lucan. I love you so much.
Give our dreams to the rising sun. Make our way, we have just begun. We're closer to heaven, there's so much ahead of us. We'll give our dreams to the rising sun. Make our way, we've just begun. We're closer to heaven, there's so much ahead of us. This is what we've been waiting for, at the dawn
this ring as a pledge and token of wedded love and faithfulness. Repeat after me. Receive this ring
Receive this ring
as a pledge and token
as a pledge and token
of wedded love and faithfulness.
of wedded love and faithfulness.
The Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord look upon you with favor and give you peace. Amen. That's the prayer.
We're married.
We're married.
Love you. How'd it go?
It's okay.
Not as good as it can.
Come here!
From hello, what's your name? To I'll know I'll never be the same. Oh, you've been changing me. From trying so hard not to play the fool, to do you know that you're beautiful. Oh, you've been changing me. Just take some time, but little by little, yeah, we'll get it right. Oh, I never thought I could get the chance to be here with you. Two crazy fools, two left feet, step by step, heartbeat by beat. Life's a song, love's a dance. So come and take my hand. When life is hard, when hope is real, when what was broken starts to heal. Oh, you've been changing me from flying high to breaking falls. Learning money don't mean that you have it all. Oh, you've been changing me. Just take some time, but little by little, yeah, we'll get it right. Oh, I never thought